In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete sleep focus mode on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and there hit Add Focus. Now here you have to find Sleep Focus Mode and get into it. There you can set up this mode, you can change their notification settings, you can customize screen, you can add their schedule if you want, or some focus filters, and if you want to delete that filter you can just hit there Add Delete Focus and then hit on Delete Focus again to confirm deletion, and from now it will not disturb you again. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.